This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform the balcony installation process. Step 1. Preparation of the wood. Our team will meticulously clean the area, measure, and prepare the wood to ensure a perfect fit for installation. This thorough process ensures optimal conditions, resulting in a flawless and long-lasting result. Step 2. Install the decking support. The decking support will be carefully installed to firmly secure the decking boards in place, ensuring stability. Step 3. Attach the decking board. Decking boards will be installed with precision, ensuring proper spacing for drainage to prevent water buildup, mold growth, and damage. Step 4. Sanding and varnishing. This step enhances the natural beauty of the wood while providing protection against the elements. Check out the difference before and after our balcony decking installation. Looking for good quality balcony decking installation services in Singapore? WhatsApp us now at 82410032.